Thank you, Assemblyman Santiago's office, for inviting SOS today. My name is Traci Imamura. It's Traci with an I, I-M-A-M-U-R-A. 3 weeks ago at the SOS rally, Francine Imai, the daughter of one of the ICF residents, stood here and said, "Many of our parents were evicted and put into concentration camps early in their lives. Please don't allow another eviction and injustice in the elder part of their lives." Her words are so fitting on this day of remembrance. Only 79 years ago today, the President of the United States signed that Executive Order 9066 that forced 120,000 Japanese Americans from their homes and into U.S. concentration camps without due process. I used to hope that I would have been someone like Ralph Lazo, the 16-year-old Mexican-American teen from Belmont High School who voluntarily entered the Manzanar concentration camp with his Japanese-American best friend in an act of solidarity. Today, I ask myself, what kind of person am I now? Will I stand up for my neighbor in solidarity? Will I speak out for injustice when I see it? After 5 years' experience as a former Kodesha member and a current CAB member, I've asked so many family members to speak out publicly about preserving affordable, culturally sensitive, quality care. So I am here today in solidarity with those families and their loved ones to ask you to remember the inhumanity of the events 79 years ago. Some of the seniors in the facilities behind us lived through those events. Today we appreciate all of you standing with us to address the second part of what Francine said. And I see Francine driving up and down the street. Don't allow another eviction and injustice in the elder part of their lives. Residents at the ICF receive bilingual and bicultural services. And this part is really important. And they have each other. And they have been kept 100% COVID-free throughout this pandemic in that ICF building. They are mostly Japanese women in their 80s, 90s, and several are over 100 years old. In contrast to ICF's COVID status, Pacifica has proposed these elders move from ICF to another Pacifica-owned facility, the Kei-Ai Los Angeles Nursing Home. Kei-Ai LA is currently what they call a designated COVID-19 nursing home, which means they admit COVID-positive patients from hospitals, and now it may be the deadliest COVID nursing home in California. Without bilingual, bicultural care in a COVID-free alternate facility, the ICF residents cannot safely be moved. With 230 COVID-positive cases and 96 deaths, the county must investigate how Pacifica got this designation and why they have not kept these seniors safe. There are many questions about this designation, and public posted notices are nowhere to be found. Please come out next Thursday, February 25th at 11 a.m. at the Kei-Ai LA Nursing Home in Lincoln Heights to remember over 100 lives lost at Pacifica's Kei-Ai LA and Kei-Ai South Bay nursing homes, and to shed light on these designated COVID-19 nursing homes. In closing, SOS likes to thank Councilman Kevin De Leon, a respected friend and senior advisor to the Councilman, Warren Furutani.
Yeah, Warren.
Yeah. State Senator Maria Elena Durazo, Assemblyman Miguel Santiago, Assemblyman Albert Succi, for your support, commitment, and effort. We also want to thank Boyle Heights Neighborhood Council, Mr. David Silva.
That's right, David Silva.
Mr. Carlos Montes. And so,
Big C.
And so many others who have taken a strong stand to oppose Pacifica's plan to eliminate the vital services and the jobs at Sakura ICF. Thank you.
Mario from the YMCA communities over there.
All right, Mario.
Mario from the YMCA. There's a lot of other people here.
Don't evict our seniors.
Don't evict our seniors. Don't evict our seniors. Don't evict our seniors. Don't evict our seniors.